Hello guys, we're here at an undisclosed location. We found a freight elevator and a service elevator. Let's ride the freight elevator first. And we're also here with Ayden Smart 3898. And this is a traction elevator. And there's someone trying to get in, but they can't. Because I'm staff here, so I let him come through. Here we go. And here we are. Yeah, that was pretty fast. It's pretty fast. Alright, here we go back. Up, 2, 3. Here we are. It also classic levels, like I notice. If you look, I'll put the camera right angled like this, and you'll see how it classic levels like I notice. Watch this. Cause the doors open when the elevator's moving. And Ayden will send us up to 3. Here we go. Yeah. It used to though. Okay, let's get out. Let's close the doors. There it goes. Alright, now time to go to the service elevator. Let's call it. And it's here. Yes, it is. Here we go. And Ayden's YouTube channel is in link in description. It's Ayden's Garage Doors. Yes. Same with my videos. I do a lot of elevator videos, also some garage door videos. And here we are. Back up to 3. And we're only gonna take it for one ride because it is a very slow elevator. Actually, we'll take it for one more ride because I want to show you something on one that we just missed. It sounds like a microwave when it gets to 2. Like when it chimes, it sounds like a microwave. Watch. Gets back down to 1. Oops. Well, I clicked 2 on accident. Here, I know how to fix this. Nope. No, okay, that doesn't work. Sure, let's just go down. It's got the messed up Cortex doors. Yeah, well, we can see this down here. If you go to 2, you come out here. There's actually 2 buttons. One for down. Let's go. Yep, here we go. What? Okay, that was weird. I hope we didn't break it. There we go. Here we are. And out here is a beautiful chime. It indicates all the floors you're on. Look at this. Wow. Yeah. Yes. It's a circle button. Alright, let's go back up. Yes. Here we are at 3, guys. Now let's come out. Watch the doors close. There it goes in. That's it.